Bushra, working as assistant professor in computer science department. Today I want to tell about the Python programming language, why Python came into picture. So Python was developed by Ulf von Rosen in 1991. Python actually he used to see the old BCC television as a comedy show, that is Monty Python's Flying Circus. From that he used to take out the Python name, which means actually the Python is a large snake. Here from that circus he has taken the Python name and he kept that for the programming language. Why we are using Python programming? We are already learned about the C, Java, C++. Nowadays we are using Python. Instead of all these three, which is Java, C, C++. Here, if we use C is a structured programming language and it takes a lot of time for compilation and it takes so much of space. When I come to Java we used to create the classes as well as the objects, and it is also going to take the memory so much. So here, now coming to Python programming. Python programming is a language which is very user friendly to the learner. And it is an open source programming language which we can use anywhere in the society. And as well as coming to the Python programming language, here it's just like an English language, and the code of the Python programming is very less when compared to the previous programming languages. So Python programming is nowadays it's very much more important role playing in the market when compared to the Java, C, C++. Thank you so much.